यहाँ पे आप देखिए नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू पहुँच गए हैं और उनसे बात करते हैं। सिद्धू, नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू यहाँ पे पहुँचता है।
सर बैठक होने वाली है।
सर आपने ट्वीट किया है,
सर आपने डीजीपी को लेकर सवाल खड़े किए हैं।
तो यहाँ पे नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू आप देखिए तस्वीरों में, सिद्धू नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू पहुंचे यहाँ पे और अपने आप सिद्धू साहब तो यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी को हटाते हुए, और ये वो वक्त है जब लगातार सिद्धू ने बोला कि अपने सिद्धांतों से मैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करूंगा। 2 दिन बाद नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू पटियाला से चंडीगढ़ पहुंचते हैं। क्या पंजाब सीएम और नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के बीच जो बातचीत होती है उससे मामला सुलझेगा या नहीं, ये बड़ा सवाल। यहाँ पे आज तक पर आप तस्वीरें देख रहे हैं कि किस तरह से नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू पहुंचे हैं सबसे पहले, और ये तस्वीरें ये दिखाते हैं आपको। जल्दी आइए, ये देखिए।
सर क्या फाइनलाइज हो चुका है? सर क्या दूसरी पार्टी बना रहे हैं? आप नई पार्टी बना रहे हैं?
यार आगे से हटो कैप्टन साहब, हटिए आगे से, हटिए कैप्टन साहब, हटिए आगे से, इधर आ जा यार तू कैप्टन साहब। सर just one statement sir, that's all we want sir। यार इधर हो ना यार, requesting for one second sir।
we will be leaving Congress sir, we will be leaving Congress now sir। What is your stake sir?
कैप्टन साहब कैमरा को हाँ छोड़ दो।
Well, there you have it. Captain Amarinder Singh was just at the Delhi airport. Of course, the media trying to get a word from him, but he seems focused. He does not want to respond to any queries that's now coming his way. Remember, a lot of speculation whether he's going to be joining the BJP. Captain Amarinder Singh just yesterday met with Home Minister Amit Shah, met with Ajit Doval, sending a lot of minds running on exactly what was the purpose of that meet. Initially, he called it personal. Eventually, he said that he wanted to discuss on national security, Punjab security, considering it's a border state, but now comes around to say that he is quitting from the Congress. Almost a decision that was inevitable. Here you have the former Punjab Chief Minister, Captain Amarinder Singh, who said clearly that he's now going to be quitting from the Congress as senior leaders are sidelined. He seems upset. He's quite disappointed, disgruntled, and of course hits out at the senior leadership of the Congress for the first time after he meets with the BJP top guns. But he also says very clearly that he won't join the BJP, maybe as yet. We know that in politics, anything could turn around any moment. Kamaljeet, of course, tracking those developments. Kamaljeet, on one hand, you see the very disappointed Captain Amarinder Singh at the Delhi airport. He's heading towards Punjab. On the other, you have Navjot Singh Sidhu, again, angry, upset maybe, but more demanding, if anything, right now wanting to meet with the Chief Minister, Channi, to see if he can resolve the situation and maybe come back as the PCC chief. A big, big crisis for the Congress in Punjab, but yet we have no word coming in from Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka or Sonia. It's a wait-and-watch policy that they're observing, it appears.
मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता, वो उनका इंटरनल मामला
बनाने की बात कही गई थी। वो एक दलित को सीएम बनाने की बात कांग्रेस ने कही कि वो दलित मुख्यमंत्री,
पर उनको अगर मुख्यमंत्री बनाया फिर कांग्रेस चलने क्यों नहीं देती? उसको रबड़ स्टैंप बनाया है। क्या उसको अगला मुख्यमंत्री का कैंडिडेट बनाते हैं कि नहीं? नहीं।
बेअदबी के मसले पर सिद्धू साहब
ऐसे चंडीगढ़ पहुंचते हैं।
All right, Kamaljeet, I'm going to cut back to you. Kamaljeet, if you can hear us, we see that Navjot Sidhu has just arrived at Channi's residence. What's going to be on the agenda? This meeting comes even as Captain Amrinder Singh has very clearly said now that he's going to be resigning from the Congress party. So it doesn't seem like Captain Amrinder Singh can be persuaded to remain within the party or even please him at the moment. On one hand, they've lost a tall leader like Captain Amrinder Singh. On the other, the man that they wanted to please, Navjot Singh Sidhu, has given them a big blow by resigning, saying that the current cabinet is not the best as it has tainted ministers, casting aspersions on the very decision of the Congress High Command as well as the Chief Minister Channi. But now he comes around wanting to be persuaded to come back.
जाकड़ को नहीं मिलाया।
Kamaljeet, if you can hear us. All right, I'm going to try and patch Kamaljeet here. You have visuals coming in, one from the Delhi airport where you have Amrinder Singh, very disappointed. He does not want to be speaking with the media. Of course, a barrage of questions that have come his way. He does not want to respond to it. But his meeting with Amit Shah, Ajit Doval has really sent the political observers in a tizzy. Undoubtedly, a lot of speculation whether he wanted to be or has been invited to join the BJP. But so far, no word on that except Amrinder Singh saying that he does not want to be part of the Congress anymore. He says he's going to most definitely resign or leave the Congress party. He says that he will not join the BJP as yet. But this itself is enough to really show the Congress party in a light that they hoped not to be projected by, at least from a veteran leader like Amrinder Singh, who's been part of the Congress for 5 decades. A man like him who's been a Congress heavyweight in Punjab, the face of the Congress almost, has now hit out at the Congress leadership saying senior leaders are more often sidelined. A big blow to the Congress party 4 months ahead of the elections. I'm going to cut across to Kamaljeet for more on that. Kamaljeet, Amrinder Singh right there, the Delhi airport, in fact, media there trying to reach out to him, wanting to have a word with him on what exactly happened, what exactly he's feeling like after he meets with Amit Shah. What's his decision, but he refuses to speak. It appears that he's upset, he is sad, he puts his head down, walks all the way inside the airport and avoids all questions coming in from reporters. What do you think will be his next step as he approaches Punjab?
Well, he'll have to really think very hard about it. One is that never say never. So yes, he said he is open to joining any other party. He's also very clear he's quitting the Congress party. So once these two things are made, he has to, one, associate with a party in terms of ideology. Right now, BJP is seen to be on a back foot as far as Punjab is concerned. The reason being the 3 farm laws, and even the discussion with Amit Shah was pertaining to that. The other part, and remember, we are here at Punjab Bhavan, and this is Sector 3. This is where the meeting of Navjot Singh Sidhu and Charanjit Singh Channi is going on. But this is also the time where Captain Amrinder Singh is all set to board a flight from Delhi to Chandigarh. So all thick of action moving right here in Chandigarh. The important part being what happens to the two tall leaders. One is Navjot Singh Sidhu, who has resigned as the PCC chief, and the former chief minister. The latter, it's very much known, is now out of the Congress party. He has to think hard about what his political future is going to be. Depending on which side of the camp you are in, even though Captain Amrinder Singh is highly respected, many believe he's already 80 and a spent force. It's too late for him to begin a new party. The other is, if he does go and join a party like BJP, what is his stature going to be? Because it does seem there is a very slim chance for the party. The reason being that there is an issue as far as the farmer bills are concerned. Not being able to solve that is something that the Punjabis don't really have taken it very well.
So
what happens to Navjot Singh Sidhu? Now he has moved
right,
from Patiala
Kamaljeet, but I'm going to come to you on Sidhu in just a moment. Of course, we continue tracking all those developments right outside the home of Channi. He's going to be meeting with Navjot Singh Sidhu. A lot of deliberations on whether he must be coming back as the PCC chief. On the other hand, Amrinder Singh heads to Punjab. Is he going to be meeting the G23 leaders? All that and more after a short break. India Today continues tracking those developments. Stay with us.
है।